Hello everyone. I would like to thank the organizing community who would give a beneficial opportunities to share our research work with the research communities. I am Mudassar Aslam, Memphis scholar from University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. Today I presenting my work, the impact of solar radiations and balanced diet on induced breeding in freshwater fish Labiorhita. First of all, the introduction of this work. Labiorhita is commonly known as the rahu, and it belongs to the carp family, and it is an omnivorous fish. Two objectives of the my work: to examine the effect of the balanced diet on growth and induced breeding of Labiorhita, and the second one to examine the solar radiations effect on the induced breeding. Induced breeding is an method in which exogenous hormones are injected into the body of mature fish for the induction of breeding. This technique is also done by the hypophysis that is introduced from the 1957. Next one, the material and method. Different material that is required for the experimentation. First one of the composition of the experimental diet. Experimental diet are exhibit in this the poster. Different ingredients are included into the diet that I used. Next, fish collection. The weight of the fish from 1.6 to 3 kg and the tank that is required for the experimentation. Its diameter is 2 meter. Dose that is depend upon the species of fish, age and sex. I used 0.4 ml per kg for female and 0.2 ml per kg for male species. Different steps that are involved into the induced breeding. First of all, collect the mature fish which have a appropriate weight. Then application of the injection of those fish. It put into the separate cage and then the egg collection from it. Spawning occur within 3 to 6 hours. Then the fertilization done. From this experiment, different observations, that is egg production, fertilization rate and hatching rate. Hatching rate depend upon the balanced diet and solar radiation exposure. Those species which are under the exposure of balanced diet and solar radiation have the maximum hatching rate, and those species which are unexposure to the balanced diet and solar radiations have the minimum rate even through the hypophysis. Here in this graph represent of the hatching of the eggs, and the result concluded by different formulas that is used of the fertilization and total number of spawn. Maximum fertilization done by the induced breeding, that is near about the 90% in this experiment. Exposure batch have the maximum egg production and fertilization and hatching rate rather than the unexposure species of the fish. So that here in concluded that balance and complete diet have the major effect on the induced breeding and growth of the fish. Thanks for your time. Allah Hafiz.